asimire government ya NRM ahabo kubijuka ekabahereza ebintu nkebi omu district ya Kisoro.
For yet another achievement in Kisoro, and I will not forget that we are doing all this because of the NRM government. So we want to thank you for always addressing the delivery of services to the people of Uganda and in particular Kisoro.
Ogu nagira ngu ekintu kija kuyamba omu kuchendeza ombare muhango gw'abantu abatwire nibafa bari kuza omu district ezahare okuronda obujanjabi.
Of healthcare services, but also expand the scope of treatments available to our community. Moreover, the isolation unit stands as a testament to our preparedness and resilience.
Okurugirira ahari George Otimu ori commissioner okurugwa ministry y'amagara ori kujunanisibwe byokombeka government nisha kombeka isolation centers 39 hamwe na za theaters narishi amyanya yo kushemerezaho omwihanga ryona kandi ngo batandikine district ya Kisoro nabanyuma bazeho muri Singiro. Nagira ngu project sezi nizija kumara sente eziri kuingana billion mushanju na miliyoni igana.
Was inadequate, and we selected only 2, and out of the 2, Kisoro is one of them. Kisoro is another one, so we've given priority to 2 out of 39.
Dr. Nick Muneza ojekire ori kurebya magara ahabwa district ya Kisoro agizire ngu omwanya ogwo kushemerezamu ogubatwire bine gubire guri omuringo mubi ari kugira ngo nibetenga kukozesa obwira bw'amani okombe ko mwanya omusya abarwire bakabona hiba bakoreraho.
For isolation should have come yesterday, but at one time would have cases for isolation when Dr. Baganizi was still the MS here.
Ebel Bizman or chairman w'entebe ya katano wa district ya Kisoro asibire government ya NRM ahabo kubahereza ekirabo nkeki bari kugira ngo ebi ni bimwe ahabinte Kisoro ine kutunga ku rugo NRM government ngo abo kugira ngo bo batura ni batera karuru igana rigana.
So I want to congratulate Ministry of Health for having lifted the ban on recruitment of health workers. That one is being told to me on account. But now the ban is lifted. I have to confirm from Cow. Is it true, Wanakao?
Peter Nwagaba or contractor owagese nagira ngo nibaza kukorera ombwire okureba ngo tibabasa kutunga okuteganisibwa babase kuhereza yo projects ezirabe zikozwe koronji.
To report you, Honorable Minister, that had it not been the issues in the Kisoro of the law, would be far.
Dr. Diana Twine or permanent secretary wa ministry y'amagara katayira Kisoro emezi mukage huire kandi yaraganisa ngo ministry y'amagara nije kuje no misho na no gukora ahanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe